Hi everyone, my name is Lindsay Yerta and I've been teaching for 16 years now. I love being in the classroom. I love that I never have to stop learning. One of the things I've really enjoyed learning about in the last 6 or 7 years is universal design for learning. Now, with universal design for learning, the emphasis is on removing barriers from our curriculum. There has been a conscious effort to move away from the damaging views some of us held that our jobs as educators are to fix the learners. Instead, we know that we have to fix the curriculum, and in doing so, ensure that all of our learners have access to content. In this module, we focus in particular on this purple column here in the middle. We are responsible as educators for providing multiple means of representation. This means that we're going to present multiple formats of the same content for our students. For example, if I am teaching a lesson on adding fractions, I might use the math textbook. I might post some how-to videos on my website, and these how-to videos might be some that I made using a tool such as this, such as Screencast-O-Matic. They might be videos that my students made, or they might be videos I found on a site like Khan Academy. So in addition to the textbook and the videos, I might also use a tool like Storyboard That to make a comic strip illustrating the process for adding fractions, right? So that's just one example. And there are a plethora of ways that we can provide our learners with multiple means of representation. In this model, we're going to spend some time looking at each category individually, but please note that there is overlap between categories, and if you decide to do the other UDL modules in this NetServe area, you'll notice there's overlap between the three principles. The one we're talking about today, multiple means of representation, as well as the principle of multiple means of engagement and the principle of multiple means of action and expression, have lots of overlapping pieces. All right, let's again focus on multiple means of representation. That's what this particular module is about. We're going to look at the checkpoints that help students access content. So we're going to look at these here as we provide options for perception. We're going to look at the checkpoints that help students build their knowledge, right here, as we provide options for language and symbols. And then finally, we are going to learn about checkpoints that help our students internalize their learning by examining how we might provide options for comprehension. I know that that sounds like quite a bit, but I promise when we get started, you'll begin to notice how important this framework is for our learners. And I truly hope this is just the first day in a long love affair with universal design for learning. Welcome.